Need a hat.
This is a short film by Tracy Panito.
Jenna Slumkey. And Jenna Slumkey. Howdy, y'all.
Pow, 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 pow.
What are you doing, though? You don't start shooting that.
Pow. Seems like I got no ammo. I'm gonna have to find some.
I'm the guy from X-Men who shoots people with his eyes.
This is a courageous battle between...
This is stupid. This is not as good as our other one.
Look at my grill. Who's gonna win this battle? Who's gonna win it?
And Tracy is dead. I just killed Tracy Panito.
Hey, what's up? Don't hurt her, don't hurt her. Don't hurt her.
I've taken her doll as hostage.
Tracy wakes up from the dead.
If you'd like your doll back, you cannot put these videos on Facebook. Okay? If you ever want to see your doll in turn. Please, Tracy. Please, Tracy. Don't let her kill me. Please. Please, Tracy. That's all for now. This is to be continued.